In our previous class we discussed about music. So today our topic is mosaics. A lot of materials can be used to make mosaic. But these few are necessary materials needed. A base. It is where the mosaic materials will be glued. It could be heavy materials like tiles, small piece of ceramic glass, beads, jewelry piece, fake gems, jelly beans or any small coated candies. Mosaic materials are cardboard, paper, flat piece of wood, glass or metal. Mosaic can be created on any three-dimensional objects such as tin, cans, vases, bottles, etc. Glue or paste. Make use of glue that can be cleaned or washed off easily. That is, it should be non-toxic glue. Artworks are used for decoration on walls, cardboard, plywood or floor. Production of mosaics reflecting one of the listed ills in the society. Examination malpractice. HIV/AIDS. Cultism. Ghost. Mermaid. Half human, half animal. Clergyman smoking. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.